You know, because they don't want you hiking around because you're going to find the nest. But, you know, they do have like a couple nature trails that are well marked.
Okay.
Yeah, you'd enjoy that. That's a fun day.
Yeah.
Okay, you see the power plant across the Potomac. This side of it, to the right, on the point there, you can see a couple of antennae and a whole bunch of buildings. That's the Dahlgren.
Okay.
That's the area that we can't fly into or they shoot us down. Top secret, all that stuff.
Understood.
Now this is just such a scenic, beautiful ride. I love doing this. You know, and that's why it takes an hour to do it, because you can see how far we're going. We're almost 25 miles from Shannon right now.
Okay.
So you can see the Potomac and the Chesapeake. I mean, it's just that clear today. It's amazing visibility. Temperature, David?
I'm doing great on temperature.
Awesome.
Totally comfortable.
Perfect. It's amazing how much that wind screen protects you. It just blows the air right over you.
Yep.
Quite a difference, huh?
Yeah.
I love these little inlets that we're seeing. They're almost tidal pools, but not quite. But you can see a couple people have docks up here, and at the right time of day, they can get their boat out, go catch a fish, come back before dinner.
Cool.
There's a nice view of Dahlgren. You can see the airport on it.
Oh, yeah.
You can see Colonial Beach all along the shore out there. Yep, that's it. Sleepy little town, different lifestyle. Here's one of those little tidal basins I was telling you about. Dip the wing, we'll get a shot of it here. Right there. over on the right, you can see the Rappahannock starting to appear. What?
Bird. I don't know if it's an eagle or not, but
I didn't see him, sorry.
he's just above the horizon.
No, I missed him. I was looking over at the Rappahannock. Now, if you look at the smoke on the left-hand side ahead of the plane, you can tell which way the wind's blowing.
Yep.
So now our ground speeds are going to go to 0.
Yeah.
But I'm going to point it back home, and I'll give you a little bit of a flying lesson here.
Sounds great. Looking forward to it.
Oh boy, look at how clear that Rappahannock is. You can see all the way where it goes into the Chesapeake. This is just unheard of. I mean, there's absolutely no restriction to visibility. I mean, you can see the Eiffel Tower in one direction and the Golden Gate Bridge in the other. Okay, now Dave, if you keep us going in this general direction, that's what we're working towards. Grab onto the stick with me, and I'll show you. I want you to get the feel first. We're going to do a little bit of a nose down, so we just push a little bit. It's pretty responsive.
Yeah.
And I'm holding it, a combination of rudders and aileron to hold it. So we push forward a little bit. Now we're going to pull back just a little bit and push forward. There you go. Now we're going to go the left bank, a little bit of a left bank there. So you have to coordinate it with a lot of rudder. And we're going to go right bank. Again, coordinating it with rudder to keep that ball on the center. Now, this is a 30-degree bank. So now we'll roll over the other way. The 30-degree bank on the other side. And then we just pull it right around like that. Okay, going back to level. Okay, now, you have the control.
Okay. So I'll do 30 degrees to the left?
Yeah, other way.
Or sorry, I meant 30 degrees to the right. Here.
Yeah, so just play with it. You have the control, whatever you want to do. How do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Bunch of birds, 1 o'clock. I think those are buzzards, though.
Yeah, they're too wobbly for eagles.
I'll let you have the controls back. Can you do some steeper stuff?
Okay, I have the controls. So what do you think?
I like it a lot.
Kind of neat, huh? Fun airplane.
Very neat. Can you do some steeper turns?
Sure. Yeah, what I can do is I can show you some wing overs. Are you familiar with that?
Okay. Yeah.
It's like a figure eight. It's a pre-acrobatic maneuver that we use to train the cadets. It requires smoothness, precision, airspeed control, coordination, and planning. So all the elements that go into making a flight good. So get a little altitude here so we can start it, and then I'll show you what we're doing. I'll talk you through the first one. We'll do the first one kind of shallow, and then I'll do the next one intermediate, and the last one we'll do like a pretty deep. We'll be at a 60-degree bank. You'll think you might be upside down. You don't have motion sickness issues, do you?
I do not get motion sick, and I'm willing to pay for a longer flight.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, we start up a little bit of a dive just to get some airspeed,